guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements, and today I'm going to do my beautiful fall Charlie Brown mug. So guys, let me show you some of the things that I have starting with my Charlie Brown mug. I have already pre-cut my floral foam and added it to the bottom of my mug. And I also have my decorative scarecrows and my beautiful vivid colored flowers for this arrangement that I have already pre-cut. So guys, let's get started with this arrangement. And guys, here I'm just trying to decide on which flower that I'm going to start with. So I think I'm going to start with this beautiful foliage here. And I also want to take the time, guys, to give a shout out to my new subscribers. I just want to say thank you and welcome to my channel. And we're going to do a lot of cute DIYs here, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so getting back to this arrangement, I've gotten started with the foliage, and I'm just going to keep adding my flowers. So watch and enjoy. Okay guys, this is the finished product, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. And until the next time guys, take care.